Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to add under construction page in Wix. The first thing you want to do once on your Wix website is go over to the left-hand menu option, and you're going to select the third icon, which is pages and menu. Then you're going to tap on the plus that says add page, and we're going to be selecting landing page from the left-hand menu option. After selecting landing page, the template that we're going to be using is the coming soon template, and you're going to tap on add page. After selecting add page, what I want you to do next, you're going to change the page name from landing page, and you can call it maintenance page or you can call it under construction page. So that's what I'm going to be calling it, under construction. Then you're going to tap on done. Now that you have done that, what you can do next, if you would like to make any changes to the page, so for example, if you would like to change the text from we're coming soon to, for example, under construction or so on, you can do that by simply selecting the entire text. Then after doing that, you can type out the text that you would like to add. So for example, I'm going to be typing in under construction right here. After typing out the text, if it is a case you like to change the background, you can also do that by selecting anywhere on the page, then tapping on change background, and from there you could select image to change the background. Once you have changed the text, all you need to do now is go over to the left hand menu option once more, select pages and menu. Then from there, you're going to tap on the three dots in line with the page name. After selecting the three dots, what I want you to do next is, you can see from the drop down menu right here, what I want you to do, you're going to set it as the home page. So you're going to tap on set as home page. After you have selected to set it as the home page, the next thing you're going to do is tap on the three dots once more. After tapping on the three dots, you're going to tap on settings. After selecting the settings cog, you're going to tap on layout right here. After selecting layout, you're going to tap on no header or footer. Then once you have done that, you're going to simply tap on publish, or you can select preview to see how it looks. So if we were to tap on preview, you can see how it looks right here. So once someone goes onto our website now, they can enter their email address and you'll get the email in your notification box, and this is how it looks at the moment. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.